Hey guys, Tech Tammy here. So I had Xfinity send me their latest and greatest router, and it's this guy here in white. I already took it out of the outer box, so this is going to be sort of a semi-unboxing video, but I did want to just sort of give you the rundown. So this is the XB7-T model. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's XB7-T. And I have now, it's a black version of this. It looks a lot like this, the XB6-T, which is connected to my Wi-Fi network over there. So it's one version behind, presumably. Although when I spoke with customer service, they said that they thought that this modem would be significantly faster than what I have currently. So I'm a little bit skeptical, and in a follow-on video, I'm gonna run a speed test comparing this one versus, so the 7 versus the 6, basically. So the white versus the black one that I have now. But I did just want to show you what it looks like. The white I'm not wild about. I can live with it. I just feel like it's going to get a little bit dirtier than the black one. Most of my other stuff is black, but it still looks pretty cool. So I guess I'm okay with the color. But just to show you what it ships with here. So excuse me. So there is some documentation. So in the box, it tells you what's in the box, and then it looks fairly straightforward in terms of getting this going on my existing network. A couple of things are look a little bit different between this router and the other one. I'll go over that in a second. But so they want you to basically use the Xfinity app to guide you with activating the new router device. So basically what it ships with is you've got this coax cable which connects up from your router to your cable box. And then also we have a network cable as well, so you can actually, if you've got sort of a hardwired network connection, you can use that. And then the power adapter, which is interesting. So the power adapter is where the difference is between the X7 and the X6. At least I think I'm saying that right. Yeah, so XB7 versus XB6. So I currently have the XB6, and it has a different adapter there. Otherwise, I would just swap them out and see what it looks like. But so the adapter is a little bit different, and I think you've got to kind of give it a good firm press to get it to go in there. But yeah, so I'm going to basically swap out the whole thing with my current XB6 device, and I'm going to swap it in for the XB7, and then I'm going to run some speed tests. I'll put a link in the description down to the speed test because I'm going to do that in a separate video. But I did just want to take this out of the box for you guys and show you what it looks like. It is the white version. Documentation is good. Everything seems to be here that's needed to do the install. So I'm going to get this going, and then in a future video we'll do a little bit of a speed test for you guys. So hope you found this helpful. If you did, if you wouldn't mind, give me a quick thumbs up. Helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, more on everything tech. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I do all sorts of videos about smart home tech and just technology in general. Hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.